Hey guys, this is Mr. Breen, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how to form future passives in Latin. First place to start is always the principal parts, and I've chosen to use ago, agere, agi, actum, a good third conjugation verb, very common third conjugation verb, which means to lead or to drive, commonly mistaken for go, but it isn't go. Ago, agere. What we're concerned with is the first two principal parts. That'll give us the present stem, and even though I know we're doing the future uses the present stem, which is ag, ag. Next step for forming the future is this is just a little small thing. We're gonna add some extra letters after the stem, only for first and second conjugation. For first, we're gonna add a as always, because this is their RA conjugation, and for the second, it's our long ERE, and we're gonna add an E. But for these ones, we don't have to worry about anything. For these two, we are gonna have to worry about the fact that they're very egotistical, so we always have an I. But other than that, nothing. Then we're going to worry about the fact that, our future tense mnemonic, as you guys hopefully remember, is bo, bi, boo, 1 and 2, a and e, 4 and 3. So first and second gets bo, bi, 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 boo. Notice that this actually follows O for I is U, if you pay attention here. And over on the third IO, and fourth, it's a only in the first singular. And every other person in number, second, third singular, first, second, and third plural, you're going to get E. Finally, we're going to add on our personal endings, and for passive, they are ar, ris, tour, more, mini, n, tour. And that'll finish us off. So let's put it all together. Okay, so our present stem was ag. We didn't have to add any letters because it's third conjugation, and our marker for third conjugation is a and e, not bo, bi, boo, but a and e. And then our personal endings are ar, ris, tour, more, mini, n, tour. So this should be easy. This looks like agar, ageres, agetur, agemor, agemini, agentur. Good. Let's take a look at what the other conjugations would look like. Okay, so there's some important stuff to pay attention to here. For first conjugation, uwo, uara, ubi, utum, to help. Notice the stem is iuv, and then and so we have that here, and then we put an a everywhere, and then bo, bi, boo, 1 and 2. But there's one slight change. Remember that Latin doesn't like ir in this position, so we have to change that e or that I to an e, just like we did with present passive third conjugation. So instead of going bor, biris, it goes bor, buris, bitur, bimor, bimini, buntur. Same thing for second conjugation, eubeo, eubera, eusi, eusum, to command. We get eube bor, eube bitur, eube bimor, eube bimini, eube buntur, just like you would expect, but instead of eube biris, it goes eube buris. So that I changed to an e, just like in third conjugation present passive. When we come down to third IO, yakio, yakara, yaki, yaktum, to throw, gives us words like eject. Okay, it goes yaki ar, yakieris. Notice we have the stem. It's third IO, and they're very egotistical, so it has to have an I all the way through. And then it goes a, first singular, everywhere else is e. Ar is tor, more, mini, entor. Yaki ar, yakieris, yakietur, yakiemor, yakiemini, yakientor. And then going over to fourth, wenio, wenira, weni, wentum, to come, we have the stem wen, the letter I, because fourth conjugations are very egotistical, a and first singular, and e everywhere else, and then on the end, the personal ending, ar, ris, tor, more, mini, entor. So weni ar, weni eris, weni etur, weni emor, weni emini, weni entor.